Okay, okay. Wow, I love the menu items at Subway. We got pizza, pizza. This isn't right, is it? Oh, this is a Chuck E. Cheese.
It's Subway.
No, it's I. But what's that? No, those are fucking robot beaches. It's like fish and Raleigh up in this beach, but not really. This is a fucking Subway.
Just
Or am I
go
saying
on.
things again?
Just go on with the ad, Pentious.
Okay, fine. Wow, I love being at Subway. They got all these cool sandwiches that look like pizzas.
Why did we even hire him in the first place?
Because I'm cheap, you
You heard
fuckhead.
nothing.
All I
You
need is some
heard.
fucking eggs.
You heard nothing.
Okay, fine. Okay. Ahem. Wow, Subway is awesome. Just look at the decor. You got some fucking chairs, and then a fucking big ass titty thing. Uh, that's on the script, right? Big ass titty thing. By the way, it was big appetite for sandwiches. Was that the line? Shit. Did I get paid? I got nothing else. That's it. I'm out of jokes. I get paid.
No.
Okay, we gotta. What? I did all this fucking shit for you. I gave you
You
so much
didn't even
content.
say it correctly.
I don't say it right. Wow. Welcome to Subway. I'm Sir Pentious. I'm here to advertise how good Subway is. If you look over here, you'll see the nice deals on sandwiches they have. Like on the ham and cheese sandwich, they got it half off. Not that it's cut in half though, because that would be illegal. Telling you half off for half of the fucking thing. Because it's not a sale, it's a fucking discount. Anyways, if you look over here, you'll see the nice decor that Subway has. Um, yeah, that's it.
Okay, now okay, let me go and get your money.
Yes, give me my fucking money. Give me my fucking money. Give me my fucking money.
Here you go.
You fucking idiot. Get over here. Give me
Here,
my
have your
fucking
money.
money.
Have your money.
Thank you. I'm going to now stick it up my ass. Subway. It's sticking up your ass. Subway. Eat. Fuck. Wait, are we starting right now?
Yes.
That's a legit question.
Oh my god. We were. Wait, you
You
actually
didn't give me a
genuinely
fucking
did that?
warning! Subway! This is a good place. Subway, eat your fucking cock.
So, no!
I've deceived you. Subway, eat less. And also more, because we're a crazy fucking company that wants to steal your fucking. Wow! That's almost as big as my airship.